we want to look at an application for doing these multiplication problems. So the very first one we're going to look at is this one where I talk about Steve, and he's speeding along at 80 miles per hour for 5 hours. So how far did he travel? You can probably relate to this, so that makes it a lot easier to actually do the problem. So if he's going 80 miles an hour, so every hour he goes 80 miles, and he's gone for 5 hours, how much is the total? Most people, when you look at it, you're just going to say, okay, he went 80 miles an hour, and he was gone for 5 hours, so that's going to be a total of 400 miles. Now maybe you didn't see that, and that's okay. Another way you can think about it is you can actually write it down. You can say I've got the first hour, and then I've got 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I know that each hour he went 80 miles. So I'm going to write an 80 for each one. And then what I need to do is if I'm looking for a total, I would have to add all these together. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with doing it that way for now either. You want to get to the point where the first one is your choice. There is a third way. If you remember, like a factor label method, you can actually do 80 miles per hour. And I know that he traveled for 5 hours. So in the factor label method, I know that anything over itself is 1, so I can cancel out my hours, and now I would just have 80 times 5, which would give me 400 miles. So you pick which one you want to do. You always want to do what's best for you.